let's say you decide to make let's say you decide to have some drinks, but you have a designated driver, or you have your children that want to drink as well. They want something that makes them feel like they're with mommy and daddy. Well, let's make a Shirley Temple. Welcome to the Beginner's Bar. I'm Scott, and this is arguably one of the most basic of mocktails out there. No alcohol, so this is for the young children in your life, or those that are also designated drivers. Rather simple. Take this lime, and give her. Recipe I'm going with says 1/4 ounce of lime juice. I'm going to make it a half. A 1/2 ounce lime juice. I'm going to go 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine. Actually, ice and carbonated water. I'm going to go 4 cubes on this. Carbonated water to combine. Give a little stir. And a straw. A little big. Oh well. Shirley Temple. Tasty cocktail. Or mocktail. Of course, if you wanted to make this a little bit more on the gentleman's side, vodka or maybe gin, but vodka could easily change this into a dirty Shirley. On that note, if you liked the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, comment what cocktail you want me to do next. Want me to do more mocktails, something for your younger children or your designated drivers. You can find me on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. I stream there Thursday and Saturday nights. Link down below. And you can also find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_Inc. Behind the scenes footage, teasers about certain cocktails I'll be making, and yeah, gonna be a general fun time. On that, thank you for watching. I will see you next time with another drink on the Beginner's Bar.